Hey Ozan, how are you? You know, Eid is around the corner and I really need help with my outfits. I'm coming over.
Hello, welcome, and let's style her then, guys.
ओ हेलो अजान हाउ आर यू यार मैंने ईद का अभी तक एक आउटफिट नहीं लिया प्लीज़ हेल्प मी यार कुछ अरेंज करें सर पे ईद है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही ओके 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 थैंक यू सो मच अजान मैं अभी आपके घर में आ रही हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Are you ready to get
आई एम रेडी
styled? It's very last minute.
मेरी सारी की सारी होप्स आपसे हैं
Chale, please
Chal.
come in.
ओके
So, guys, you are here. She is all decked up and ready. And as I earlier mentioned, Aiza wanted help with her Eid outfit. So, I have एक तो ये ऑप्शन है, एक इसके अलावा ऑप्शन है. लेकिन इस ऑप्शन पे बात करते हैं. This is from SoCharge. And I literally am in love with this outfit because the pastel colors, it's summer Eid. I think meaty Eid में जितना आप pastels पहनोगे उतना ही उठ के आता है and especially given that she has a very fair complexion also, so I think this color really uplifts all the mood. I paired it with some bangles जो फिरोजी कलर के हैं. बैंगल्स क्योंकि ईद है और मेरे ख्याल से चूड़ियाँ अगर लड़कियों ने नहीं पहनी तो फिर क्या पहना, राइट? वी हैव रीमा लक्स earrings. Now these are not ordinary earrings, I would say. ये झुमके मिक्स earrings थोड़ा मॉडर्न aesthetic में जा रहे हैं. And I love the dupatta also. अगर आपने दुपट्टा नहीं पेयर करना for example, so you can just pair both like the फर्शी शलवार. By the way, this needs a moment of its own क्योंकि फर्शी शलवार्स are in these days and everybody is obsessing over it. I'm kind of not wearing farshi but it's kind of similar to farshi. But this is so elegantly and beautifully made. All the work on this garment is exceptional. The finish, everything which SoCharge brings to the table is immense. So how do you like your look, by the way?
I love it.
You love it, right? And so we did very minimal makeup, minimal baal, kule baal, ताकि थोड़े से when she is meeting her friends, family or whoever. इसकी details I really want to mention, like the work on the kameez, the short kameez is beautiful. I think the colors that they have used and it's complementing the whole garment together. So I love the colors, honestly. It's so vibrant and so subtle at the same time. So I think for me it's a catch. Let's see आप कौन सा choose करते हो, right? This one or the next one? Stay tuned. Ta-da! So Aiza is ready in her next look, which is also an option for Eid. I think this one is a bit too heavy in a way, like if you're newlywed, like newlywed. So I think when she wears it on Eid, so that's completely fine. But अगर ईद नहीं भी होती, अगर आपने किसी की शादी में जाना है या आपने किसी की बारात लुक करनी है अपनी किसी की शादी में, so I think this is the best look so far because it's heavy at the same time, it's very subtle. And the color combination is to die for. It's maroon, gold का काम हुआ है. There's pink embellishments also in between. Red का है थोड़ा सा maroon के साथ. Then थोड़ा सा we go for the firozi thing as well. And then it has a sharara. And I am personally a fan of sharara because I think एक तो comfortable बहुत होता है and the same नेक्स्ट थिंग इज़ कि उसकी फॉल जब आती है वो बहुत खूबसूरत लगती है और उसके ऊपर शरारे के ऊपर भी बहुत खूबसूरत काम हुआ है. एंड देन नीचे जामावार के दे हैव गिवन लाइक 3 डिफरेंट लेयर्स इन डिफरेंट कलर्स, सो इट इज़ एडिंग मोर कैरेक्टर टू द गारमेंट एंड एज अ लुक completely. अच्छा, जितना ये आउटफिट हैवी है उतना दुपट्टा हैवी नहीं है. दुपट्टा इज़ वेरी simple and it has just a little bit of embellishments all over, but it's very subtle. So मुझे personally उसका neckline and back is the star here in this outfit because overall the gala of this entire shirt is very it's called a boat neck. और बोट नेक के साथ जब आप बैक भी देखते हो, बैक इज़ ऑल्सो अ लिटिल बिट डीपर बट इट्स खूबसूरत तरीन. एंड आयज़ा ऑनेस्टली इज़ किलिंग इट राइट नाउ इन दिस गॉर्जियस आउटफिट. सो हाउ आई पेयर्ड इट विद फ्लावर्स, fresh flowers है, roses with red roses, giving a little bit of vintage look. and then we have some stunning earrings from Rima Lux with the same maroonish color. तो वो उसको complement कर रही है. So I think overall I really love this look on you. So will you decide which one look, the first one or this one? लोग भी decide करेंगे, लेकिन आपका कौन सा
I
favorite है?
think first one.
First one.
I like pastel colors more.
Pastel colors more. So she's opting for the first one. So we're gonna see Aiza on Eid wearing the first outfit, first look entirely. But this is also, if you're going for shadi after Eid, I think this is perfect look. So you have the reference also कि क्या पहनना है क्या नहीं पहनना. So I think she's happy, no? Chalo. Yeah. So guys, I'm back with my other muse, Shanze Mancha, as she also mentioned earlier that she needs to get dressed, all decked and glammed out for this Eid. So हमने क्या किया है, हमने थोड़ा सा heavier portion में गए हैं because I think she's a gorgeous girl and she looks stunning in anything. सारा काम हुआ हुआ है on the shirt and I think this is one of the finest pieces from Swatch. And मुझे उनका aesthetic बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. It's very traditional. It's very how you see that you can pass these outfits from one generation to another. So ये वो वाला value रखने वाला brand है and the outfits as well. इसके border में, दुपट्टे के border में they have given some really that is their signature thing which they work and mix up colors and put them out. I think the color of the outfit as of we are talking about metallic काम हुआ हुआ है, इसमें pearls भी है बीच में and the color is ice blue. How do you like your look?
This outfit is amazing and I'm looking so beautiful.
Yeah.
मैं तो एक पे ही पहन रही हूँ.
And see the thing is मुझे लगता है ये comfortable भी है क्योंकि इसका trouser is like it's a straight open trouser with like border work नीचे and I think वो भी इतना खूबसूरत किया है इन्होंने that it elevates the entire look. So I think you look gorgeous and हमने कुछ ज़्यादा इसमें चीज़ें ऐड नहीं की, ना मैंने हाथ में कोई jewelry दी है because I think the outfit itself is so भरा हुआ कि it's comfortable, right? See, you need to do fashion but be comfortable at the same time. I think that is very important. और ये जो आप देख रहे हो, I have not overstyled it because I think अगर आप casual dinner और इस तरह के family events पे जा रहे हो, then you have to work also. वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि आप ऐसे मॉडल की तरह खड़ी हो सकती हैं. You will work, right? आपने कोई चीज़ उठानी होगी, रखनी होगी. तो मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ दिया नहीं, हाथ बिल्कुल खाली है. We're just with statement Rima Lux earrings and that's it. Yeah. I think the look is completed and you're good to go. So we'll do the next look. Let's see how she likes that one. फिर डिसाइड करेंगे कौन सा लुक के साथ आपने जाना है इस ईद. This is a gorgeous outfit by Swatch. Just look at the colors, look at the काम, the shirt with flared pants. उस पे भी काम हुआ हुआ है. I think this is one of the best with the intricate work. जिस तरह हर एक चीज़, हर एक layers हुई हुई है काम की, चाहे वो तिल्ले का काम है या इसमें बहुत बारीकियाँ, इतने काम का मुझे भी नहीं पता genuinely, but this is actually a very beautiful outfit. Either you want to wear it on Eid or you want to wear it मतलब जो ख़वातीन की शादी है, जैसे मैं कहता हूँ नई शादी हुई है, so I think उनको ड्रेसअप होना बनता है, नहीं बनता है. So what we have paired up with jewelry के हिसाब से, I think I'm obsessed with the bangles. So हमने बिल्कुल turquoise blue color लिया है because इसमें थोड़े blue के hints हैं हमारे पूरे जोड़े में. So just give him a little bit of color combination and थोड़ा different color लेके because वो pop out करता है और बड़ा unique लगता है. And then we have minimalist earrings by Rima Lux again. My favorite, and I think the structure of these earrings also complement the whole look entirely. And we have just done like pony, low pony. So क्योंकि summers है, I think जितने बाल खुले होते हैं उतने इंसान तंग होता है, I guess. So these are two of looks. We'll शान से कौन सी look इनको पसंद है and आप ईद पे कौन सी look पहन रहे हो?
Actually मैंने first वाली look की थी, amazing.
See, it's all about pastel colors.
Yeah. वो मेरी first day की look है. And this one.
Thank you. I think we are done and I hope you are satisfied. तो आपकी मुझे call आई, Uzan, we need help. So I was like, okay, if you guys
Thank
need
you so
help,
much.
we are here to help. Sunday is here to help. This is Sunday Styles. Thank you so much. If you like the episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellows for the Eid inspirations. Or thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.